Bezenzeka ephalamende ngesingisi bezihephena omunye ekhomba omunye esweni nomunye evikela iso lakhe bantu ke bebehamba ngambili ngizokutshela wena omnumzane Ndlozi bebhekene no Gayton McKenzie uJaji Hlophe ebhekene ke no Cyril Ramaphosa uJulius Malema ebhekene no Cyril Ramaphosa umuntu nomuntu beyigethela iqhulu nje lalowo akazophuma naye angiqale ngubingelele ngwamkelele channel eMaswiti Media Production okubingelelayo umxolisi ufana kadluma phansi le enkandla uma ngabe ke uyaqala ukufika channel ngicela ukuthi ngizele iqiniso lokuthi ucofa subscribe mawuqeda ubale video ushaye like bese ke uyakhomenta kulolu daba lwanamhlanje nangiphela uJaji Hlophe evuka ngolaka ebhoboka ngolaka etshela ke umnumzane Cyril Ramaphosa ukuthi ke Mr President ngicela ukuthi ungangibizi ngoJaji Hlophe wazi kahle wena wazi kahle kamhlophe ukuthi ke kungani ngithi ungangibizi ngoJaji Hlophe athi mayisuka lapho ebempheka ngemibuzo mayelana ke no double thinta ikomiti elizobheka konke okwenzakala kwesika presidency kodwa ke cela ukuthi ke uyizwele ngokwakho bese uqedile ungenzela iqiniso lokuthi uyasubscribe uyalike sidibane kwivideo landelayo.
President Ramaphosa, just the first thing that I need to say to you, please don't call me Judge Hlophe. You know why. You know better than I. Don't call me Judge Hlophe, please. Right. President, there are many programs and state departments in your office. I have quite a lot here on my cell phone: South African National AIDS Council, South African Investment Conference, Presidential Climate Commission, Human Resource Development Council, Infrastructure South Africa, National Strategic Plan on Gender, Base Violence and Femicide, Presidential Youth Employment, Intervention and Operation Vulindlela. In addition to that, obviously we know there are other state departments which are now under the presidency. Excuse me, there are other state departments falling under the presidency. The first problem is that I have not had sight of the annual performance reports. We asked for them even this morning. So it's very difficult to approve of something in the dark. But there has never been a portfolio committee that has been established for the presidency. That is a serious lacuna. We don't have a portfolio committee that has been established for the presidency as yet. With the dissolution of the Department of Public Enterprises, state-owned companies will now fall under the presidency, which means they will no longer be accountable to Parliament. The President only answers to Parliament during quarterly question and answer sessions, which are often marred by bias and lack of transparency. The DA has previously called for a portfolio committee on the presidency, citing Phala-Phala as an example of its necessity. However, now that the Democratic Alliance holds a cabinet positions, will they reiterate this call? The Zondo Commission report also recommended establishing a portfolio committee on the presidency, but will Zondo emphasize this recommendation again? It's highly unlikely that he will. State-owned companies contribute significantly to the economy. They are responsible for 27% of the GDP, surpassing the Johannesburg Stock Exchange, which only has a contribution of 23%. The question is, can we trust President Ramaphosa to manage these companies without parliamentary oversight? That is the question.